Sponsored by DCP Player, a simple way to view a DCP on any Windows-based PC. Hello CinemaTechGeeks, this is James Gardner again, and we've got a new product from DepthQ. It's very interesting. It's basically very similar to the Real D product, but you can buy this outright. So let's talk to the guys who are behind this product, and they can tell us about it. Your name is?
Chris Ward, President of Lightspeed Design.
Okay, cool.
This is our new polarization rotator or modulator. The product is a device for encoding light into left and right eye polarization. It is a series of liquid crystals made of a TN type of liquid crystal. It starts with a metallic polarizer called a wire grid for taking very large amounts of heat, and then we cool it as well. This model is made to do about 13 meter size images with approximately 18,000 ANSI lumen projectors.
Now, the first thing that I notice when I see this is, of course, I know the Real D Z screen quite well, and this basically looks very similar to that. The main thing you see straight away, which is very different, is the fact that you actually have some sort of cooling system on yours while they don't. Can you tell us why that would be and what the differences are?
The main reason that we have cooling on here is to increase the lifespan of the polarizers. Since we do an outright sale, we're very concerned about the longevity of the technology, and you'll find generally that if you keep the energy down or on polarizers, they last longer. They bleach with long-term exposure to UV and IR. The product also has a UV-IR layer inside of it to also protect it. So we've done multiple layers. You have your fans first, the wire grid polarizer, which pre-polarizes the light. Then there is a polarization layer, and there's also UV and IR protection layers, liquid crystals, and then what's called a quarter wave plate, which is the final step of the stack.
Now, I imagine these use the same glasses as Real D, left and right polarized lens glasses, etc. There's no difference?
Generally in the world, there's a standard called 00, which is the orientation of the linear elements of the circular glasses, and those are used by many of the companies, Real D, Master Image, LG. So many companies doing passive polarization use a similar orientation, and we're following. So the people who can get glasses in the broadest way, we're using standards. Okay,
now, so this is an outright purchase compared to the rental of Real D. So, what sort of, if you want to compare them, like, is there any difference in the percentage of loss to the eye compared to the two products, from your knowledge?
Our product is approximately 15% efficient. That means the entire system through the glasses. Yes. So it is comparable to other products on the market. Okay. It falls in the middle of most of the products.
Okay, cool. Well, I must admit, it does look very good on your little demo system here. I think it's something that hopefully cinema if you're going to a service company, will be able to get this and do some demos in the near future. Are you sending out a lot of demo systems to different organisations and installers around the world?
We will be. We have had a very large amount of interest in the product. The quality of it and our pricing has made it very interesting.
Yeah, it's very competitive pricing, I'd have to admit that. And as a Cinematech myself, it does look very interesting in terms of like one of the main competitors would be, if you take Real D out of the fact that it's a rental, Master Image, which has a spinning wheel, which obviously, because it's got moving parts, potentially would wear and need more maintenance compared to a system like this, which is probably a big advantage. And also, from my understanding, you have a very competitive price, so it's worth probably looking at if you're interested in going 3D, or if you've got a few more screens to go 3D. So anything else you want to say before we finish up?
No, I think it's been a very good show for us. So
yes, it's been a great show this year at CinemaCon. It's been probably the busiest show. This is my third show, and it's been far busier. The new venue looks fantastic. It's very big. It takes a long time to walk anywhere. Anyway, that's it for now, CinemaTechGeek, and see you next time.